Hello friends, and welcome to today's project of making classic panna cotta. The ingredient list is in the description. Such a classic dessert everybody should be able to enjoy. You can make this with vanilla, but in this recipe I decided to not add the vanilla because I wanted to taste the richness of the cream and milk. Plus, with the pairing of a great fruit sauce, they work so well together. Let's get started. The most important thing that we need is the gelatine. I am using gelatine powder that sets perfectly with the measurements that they give, but I am going to cheat a little and make my panna cotta even more delicate. I'm going to add in a little more liquid compared to what the gelatine is able to set, hence making it softer. I want a great mouthfeel, almost like it's simply just dissolving in your mouth when you eat it. This is why I am setting them in bowls. There are other panna cotta recipes that get set in ring molds and then turned out to be presented like that. I have another panna cotta recipe on my channel, do check that out. Here is the link on the top right corner. In order to use this gelatine, we need to bloom it. According to the instruction, we're going to hydrate it in hot water, not boiling. If you were to use gelatine leaves, you would have to hydrate them in cold water. Pour 90 grams of hot water in a bowl and sprinkle in 12 grams of gelatine powder. Do not pour in powder first and then hot water, it will clump up. So that is why we pour in water first and then the gelatine, so that it can sink in gently. Give that a whisk and leave that to one side. In the meantime, take a small pot and pour in 300 grams of full-fat milk and pour in 84 grams of sugar. Bring it over to the stove and turn on the heat to medium to high. We want to warm up the milk to dissolve the sugar, but not to boil it. We still want to taste the freshness of the milk. I am only going to heat it to about 50 degrees Celsius. This is enough to dissolve the gelatine and the sugar. In the meantime, the gelatine looks like it has been mixed well with the water. Take the pot away from the stove and pour in the gelatine. Give that a mix. Take another large bowl and pour the mixture in. Then pour in 300 grams of cold double cream. Pouring in the cold double cream helps to cool down the mixture, and when everything cools down fast, the freshness is kept. Next, take a large bowl and with the help of some ice packs and water, I'm going to put the bowl with the mixture on the top. Give that a mix and keep stirring. We want to cool the mixture down fast to below 20 degrees Celsius. Cooling it down this way ensures a uniform mixture and that there is no fat separation. Pour the mixture into a jug and distribute them into your glass containers. I am pouring the mixture over a scale to help me make sure that the mixture is distributed evenly. Place the mixture in the fridge to set overnight. After about 1 hour, make sure you cover the tray with the panna cotta. This will help in preventing the top from drying out in the fridge. The next day. In my previous video, I made essence of berries. These concentrated berry flavors will go well with my creamy panna cotta. The acidity will cut the fat, making it well balanced. I made blackberry, raspberry, blueberry and strawberry. A link for the video is on the top right corner if you too would like to make essence of berries. I love the blueberry flavor. If you make the essence of berries, take about 2 good spoonfuls of that. Take your cold panna cotta from the fridge and pour the essence over it. Let's have a bite. This is sexy because when you bite into it, you get a burst of blueberry flavor complemented with the creaminess of the panna cotta. It is so smooth and delicate because remember, I added more liquid to the recipe. And every time you go back for a bite, there is panna cotta and blueberry. You can't go wrong with such a dessert like this. Simple and such a clean flavor. Well, there you have it, classic panna cotta. Go and make this. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching. As usual, it was a pleasure having you with us on this journey today. If you enjoyed what you watched, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos. And we shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.